To manage your customer billing, you hire a developer to integrate Salesforce with Stripe, who generally takes a lot of time to integrate it into your org, and you end up paying a lot of money. Also, there are chances of a messy integration. Don't worry. We have got a simple solution for you. Cyntexa presents ChargeOn, integrate Stripe with Salesforce. ChargeOn is a 100% native application on Salesforce which offers simple and flexible invoicing. It uses Stripe API for secured and faster payment processing, and supports global transactions. Now no need to invest a lot of money and time integrating a solution as ChargeOn costs zero. What are you waiting for? Get ChargeOn for free on AppExchange today. Cyntexa, we provide value to you.